Hey everybody, Kris Gethin here and welcome to Cooking with Kaged. I'm going to show you one of my favorite treats, which is a meal replacement using the Kaged Muscle MicroPure isolate. Now this is an isolate that's very easy to digest. It's very light on your stomach. It's an isolate that has a ProHydrolase enzyme to help break down that isolate into an even smaller peptide for easier digestion and less than 1 gram of lactose. So the flavor that I have here is a coffee latte. As I said, it's naturally flavored, naturally colored, and it's only got natural sweeteners as well in the way of stevia. And what I'm gonna do is mix it with this rice and grinds cream of rice from Pride Foods. So this is beautiful. It comes in different flavors, but I've got the unnatural flavored here today because I want to taste the cafe latte. So what I'm going to do is heat up this saucepan here that I've got about a cup of water in there. And then there's a scoop in here, which is 42 grams in case you don't have a scoop. And I'll add that in there like so. And then I'll let that heat up over about 5 minutes and continue to stir to allow the volume of the water get inside this cream of rice here. Because what I like to do, especially if I'm on a calorie restricted diet and I don't want too many calories, I want that cream of rice to volumize as much as possible. And you'll notice that I always eat with a little tiny spoon because I want to take my time and enjoy it, because if we wolf it down too quickly, it doesn't allow time for your brain to signal that you are full, that you're satisfied, and we often overeat, okay? Which I don't want to completely overeat unless I'm trying to pack on a crap load of mass. Yeah, that's got pretty thick. So here's my pro tip. Add the isolate to your bowl first. Don't put the powder on top because it's harder to stir and the powder will go everywhere. So I'll put that in the bowl first. I got 1 scoop. That'll give me 25 grams of protein. Now remember, all of our products are informed sport and informed choice approved, meaning if you're a first responder, if you're a professional athlete, and you do happen to get tested, you don't have to worry about any banned substances. So I've taken that off the heat there, and as you can see, it is thick. So I've soaked up all the water there. And then I'll add this on top. I may have to add a little bit more water to this so it can stir in, but I prefer to have too little and then add to it. So this is how I'll stir it in, very delicately. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is exactly how I like it. Nice and thick and lots of flavor. So there's no artificial sweeteners in here, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. Now we have other flavors as well. Remember, we have chocolate, we have vanilla, we have cinnamon. But this is really good. This is one of my favorites. Now this is really light. If you want a meal on the go, if you want to replace a meal, if you've got a craving, something like this is very, very light. It doesn't bog you down. It doesn't require a lot of energy to be digested because in isolates, it's very fast to digest. Unlike a blend or a concentrate, which is a little bit slower, has more lactose in it, this is quite the opposite. Very fast to digest, less than 1 gram of lactose in this, which is perfect. All right, so that's another awesome recipe in Cooking with Kaged in my kitchen. Until next time, check it out and let me know what you think yourself. Boom.